How to play Roblox on Chromebook without lag. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up Chrome flags and you will be able to find it in your settings of your Chrome. Just simply open Chrome flags and then search for scheduler configuration, and this is how it will appear. After that you need to enable the hyper-threading on your scheduler configuration. Just enable hyper-thread and restart your Chrome. After that you will also have to enable the cross-tiny GPU support, and this way you would be able to utilize your GPU of your Chromebook, and this will make sure that your Roblox is working absolutely fine using your GPU. And the other method to increase the speed of your Roblox and improve the speed of Roblox is by closing down all the other apps working on your Chromebook. This way you would be able to fix the lag of your Roblox, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.